What is going on, YouTube? It is Sunday night. We're going to take a look at Litecoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Bitcoin to USD. So it looks like we're kind of having a red day today, which is about what I expected. Sundays are typically, sell-off days, consolidation days. So let's take a look and see how it is. I'm reading some reports that Litecoin could be in for a pretty big upswing. I've put a good part of my money. I've got about a coin and a half now into Litecoin, so hopefully I'll be able to make a little bit of money off of it. So we started out the day for Litecoin at about 58.60. We shot up to 58.72, retraced down. I think it's going to be about your low for the day, 57.68. Then we started retracing back up again. And 58.87 so far as your high. So I'm thinking Litecoin could, some people are saying 73. I'm thinking it could push to 75. But I need to reiterate again, if Litecoin does jump to 73, I would expect a quick retracement, because we all know that these little bull runs that we go on, it does tend to do that. It'll go up real sharply and then it'll quickly retrace. So collect your profits whenever it does do that. Don't sell all of it, but just collect your profits. We seem to be in this channel of 58, looks like 58 to 59 is your support, and at the moment it looks like 60 is your resistance. Once we crack through that $60 barrier, I think we're going to see a $10 upswing. I'm thinking, guys, it could go 75 with enough push. This could do 80, but then, like I said, once it hits the 80 mark, sell off. 77, I'd say 70 to 75. If you think, it's going to slow down and it's not like continuously going up, I would start selling off then. That's my problem. I fall in love with these coins, and sometimes I kind of miss out. I miss out on the I stand on the sidelines, and I kind of miss out on the runs. I kind of fall in love with these coins, and it's like, I feel like I need to hold on to it forever. Well, I need to start learning that when we have these little runs, I need to start, selling my coins and then waiting for it to retrace, because it always retraces. Every time you have a big run up, always expect a pullback. There's always going to be people taking their profits, and that's just the way it goes. So, like I said, I think by the end of the year, Litecoin will probably be, I'm going to up it a little bit, say 100 to 150, given we have a good little nice bull run. But like I said, 58 to 59 is about your support right now, ping-ponging between 58 to 57 to 59. Back and forth kind of. But once we get out of this little area here of 59 to 60 and start cruising on up to 765, start building our support, I think you're going to see a nice little healthy run up. Some people are saying it could hit to 100, so we'll have to see what happens. So let's move on to the next coin. Get rid of that chart. Get this out of here. So I do pull up my charts now beforehand, so that way you guys don't have to sit here and wait for me to pull them up. So I'm a little bit better prepared here. Okay. I'm glad my wife finally did that, so I finally listened to her. Okay, guys, we started out for XRP 0.296, ping-ponged a little bit. We retraced to about 0.294. So these bars, these candles are getting really tight now, guys. They're really tight. You should see them on the day. I mean, they're just that big. I mean, they're getting really small. And when the candlesticks start to get small, the wicks start to get small, you know that something big is coming. I mean, I'm not saying it's going to be, it's not always to the upside. That's the danger in this. Everybody thinks, oh, something big's coming. When you say, like when I put something massive is coming, I don't always mean to the upside. We could easily have something come to the downside. That's always a possibility. It could go even further down, or we could shoot really, really high up. So nobody really knows what's going to happen, but let's see. Like I said, started out at 296, so it looks like that's going to be your high for today. Let's see right around here. Ah, shit. I can't get it in there. No, 279. Hold on, I'm trying to find this. God, these bars are, these little candlesticks are getting really tight. 288. So 288 is going to be your low. And 296 is going to be your high for today so far. Yeah, 2962. Hold on. Yeah. Let's see, what was this over here? See if I can get this to come over here. Shit, I can barely get this to do this. Let's just say 290 is your low, and your high is 0.296. So you're in this channel of 292, between 292 and 291 to 295 is your support level right now for less 29 cents. Basically 28 to 29 cents is your 28 cents to say 27 and a half to 28 to 28 to 29 is your support level right now. It's getting really tight, so I'm really thinking XRP is getting ready to explode. I'm thinking 43 cents, maybe $1, like I've been saying all along. You know, this is going to be a really big push, a lot of people are saying. So, you know, maybe 40 to 50 cents. If it goes beyond 50 cents, guys, I think this could very well easily be $1 coin. But if it does hit $1, remember, you get out, because it will not stay there for long unless it's a 2017 situation where it just keeps going up. If that's the situation, this could be a $4 coin, guys. But at that point, that's when you get out, because we all know what happened after that. But anyway, like I said, your support levels are about 27 cents to 30 cents right now. And, you know, these wicks look like they're starting to pop up here. Yeah, it's looking really good, guys. I think that this is going to shoot up real quick. They're saying maybe tomorrow, so just really keep an eye out for it. So I'm thinking 43 to 50 cents short term, $1 longer term, $4 toward the end of the year, guys. $4.50 XRP. They're saying this is going to be an even bigger run than last. So let's move on to Ethereum. I am currently not on Bitfly right now because for some reason my computer has just completely quit doing that. So I think when I get my tax money, I'm going to actually buy a real miner, not just a personal computer PC like I have right now. Now, I know a lot of these miners are just PCs, but I'm going to buy something that's actually meant for mining, and I'm going to do some pretty hardcore Ethereum mining. Okay, guys, for Ethereum, we started out the day at about 184.34, ping-ponged around. And let's see if I can get this right here. 183.53. I'm going to call 179.86 your low. Your high 184.31. So you're in that channel of about 184 to about 182 to 184 to 185. I'd say 182 to 185 is about your support level right now. And I think Ethereum could pop with this next push that people are predicting the coins to go up. I think you'll see 190 to 200, and then sell off because it's not going to stay that level. Because it looks like right now your support level is about 180 to 190. I do see though a $200 to $300 Ethereum at the end of the year. Let's move on to Bitcoin. Okay, guys, Bitcoin here. Interact. Okay. And before I do that, my wife does crafting, and if you may or may not know, we are doing merchandise for me now, so I've got my own merch. As you can see on my sports bottle here I'm drinking out of, I've got my Crypto Vision glasses. Those are pretty cool. She put Crypto Vision inside the frames. And you get Ethereum symbol on there, XRP, Bitcoin, and LITECOIN. If you want one of these bottles, they're only $6 to $8 depending on the size. And you can have any kind of symbol. If you got a favorite crypto, just let us know in the comments below. We'll be glad to order one out for you. We'll get it sent out to you. $6 to $8. And also we have, for you to set them on when you're watching my show, we also have coasters. We make them out of tiles. And we can put Ethereum, we can put Bitcoin, we can put Litecoin, any symbol you want on them. They're pretty cool. $5 a piece, or we could do a whole set for you for $20. So that's not a bad deal. Okay, guys. We started out the day at about 93.46.64. And we kind of retraced all the way down here. So 93.64 is going to be your low for Bitcoin. Your high and your low is going to be 91.43.92. So basically not a whole lot to discuss for Bitcoin. Just really a lot of ping pong action, a lot of back and forth. It's almost, except for here, it's almost kind of flat. So like I said last night, your support's going to be between 92 and 9400 at the moment. So it is holding its own. It just needs to crack that $9,500 mark. And I think once we push above 10,000, 10,000 is the key, guys. 10,000, I'm going to get up here now, but 10,000 is what we need for people to really feel, more confident about the crypto market, because that seems to be a mental barrier for some folks. But once Bitcoin can stay above that 10,000 mark, we'll be in much better shape. But like I said, I think I see a $14,000 Bitcoin toward the end of the year. And let's see, we got a market cap of about 246 bill, 24-hour volume of about, God, I can't even see it, 71 bill. If that's wrong, I apologize. That looks like 71 bill. Bitcoin dominance is at 67.3%. So I'm going to take a look at your market cap on your other coins since I didn't do that first. I just think it's a lot easier, to have all your charts pulled up instead of you guys having to sit here and wait for 15 minutes each time I pull up a chart. So that's how I'm going to do it from here on out. I'm going to, there's still current charts, but I'm going to have it all pulled up for you before the show so you don't have to wait. All right, guys, your total market cap for Litecoin is 3.71 bill. And your market cap for XRP, 12.6 bill. Ethereum is 19.75 bill, and it looks like 165 bill is for Bitcoin. Well, guys, like I said, keep an eye out for this little boost we're supposed to get in the next couple of days, because like I said, those candlesticks are looking really, really tight on most of the charts on here I've showed you. So just really keep an eye out. Once we start popping, once you feel like it's run out of steam, take your profits, get out and wait for it to go down and pick up your, extra coin you're going to be able to afford for making those profits. But this is Crypto Vision, Sunday night, signing off. Peace out, guys.